I will talk about how can you find your coupons on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go down here, you click here on store down here, so you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on coupons here, you just click on it. So then here in this list here, you will find here all coupons you have in this list here. It's going to show for you in this list like you see here. So like you see, I have nothing here in my list here, or my coupons list, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.